The software product Plant 3D by Autodesk is used in the industrial process industry to create schematic drawings that illustrate the relationships between pipelines, machinery, heat generators, and consumers. The developed P&ID Connector bridges these two worlds and establishes a connection between Autodesk Plant 3D and Revit. In practice, equipment tagging keys are used to establish a clear link between 2D and 3D objects. Data entered into the P&ID objects can be extracted with a single click. Subsequently, this information can be imported into Revit. If needed, parameter mappings are possible to cover company-specific parameters. In the integrated viewer, the 2D object can be selected. Using the Assign Properties button establishes a connection to the 3D object in Revit. When an object is successfully linked, it is displayed in green in the P&ID Connector. Likewise, the parameters in the properties are populated with data from Plant 3D. The choice of color in the viewer can be customized as desired. The P&ID Connector includes all security features, enabling work in the Revit central model. The P&ID Connector was developed by Kleen and Kleen Software.